Exercise 8.4 of using identities. Identity number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. And third one is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Now the question number 5. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for when the expression are defined. First, prove that cosec minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. The cosec is the reciprocal of sin, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta whole square. This is the LHS. We are taking LHS. Taking sin theta LCM, we get 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Sin square theta. Squaring 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and sin square theta by using first identity 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta, numerator remains the same, and 1 minus cos square theta means a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Cancel these two. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is RHS. Hence proved. Question number 2. Cos theta upon 1 plus cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a equal to 2 sec a. Taking LHS, left hand side, and taking LCM of this cos a 1 plus sin a. Here 1 plus sin a cancel, cos a into cos a equal to cos square a, and cos a cancel, 1 plus sin a whole square. Next, cos square a, 1 plus sin square a, sin is a plus b whole square, 1 plus 2 sin a. And denominator remains the same, cos a 1 plus sin a. Cos square a plus sin square equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 sin a. And cos a 1 plus sin a. Taking 2 common. 1 plus sin a. And cos a 1 plus sin a. By cancel out 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 2 upon cos a. The reciprocal of cos is sec. 2 sec a. This is the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 3. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Taking LHS. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Next, sin theta upon cos theta. Taking sin theta LCM, got sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, cos theta upon sin theta. Taking cos theta LCM, here is cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta LCM, cos theta minus sin theta. Reciprocate this one. Multiply this with there. Sin square theta and cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly, multiplying this cos square theta, sin theta, taking minus common, you will get sin theta minus cos theta. Minus common, sign change, sin theta and cos theta. By taking LCM, solve this. Sin theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. If cancel cos theta and this, we get sin cube theta. And here we get cos square into cos cube theta. I'm using formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b. Again a square plus b square plus ab. And the denominator is sin theta, cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus sin theta cos theta. And dividing by sin theta cos theta. 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus dividing by sin theta cos theta. This cancel, we get 1. 1 upon sin theta, 1 upon cos theta means sec theta reciprocal of cos and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin, plus 1. This is the plus 1. This is the RHS of question number 3, hence proved. Question number 4, 1 plus sec a upon sec a equal to sin square a 1 minus cos a. Given the hint is given that LHS and RHS solve separately. I am trying to do this. LHS 1 plus sec a upon sec a. Sec a is the reciprocal of cos a and 1 by cos a. Cos a plus 1 upon cos a. And reciprocate, cos a multiplied in numerator. Cancel cos a. Get cos a plus 1. If we simply multiplied 1 minus cos a, numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a and denominator 1 minus cos a. Multiplying 1 minus cos a in numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a equal to 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. Here is a. 1 minus cos square equal to sin square a. 1 minus cos a. This is the RHS of question number 4. This is a question number 5. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus cot a. Dividing the numerator and denominator by sin a. In LHS, each number is divided by sin a. Sin a 1 upon sin a. And denominator cos a upon sin a plus sin a upon sin a minus 1 upon sin a. Cos a upon sin a is equal to cot a minus 1 plus 1 upon sin a is cosec a. And cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Rearrange this we get cot A plus cosec A. And we are using here 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. This is the identity number 3rd. Here 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. Minus cosec square A minus cot square A. By using here 1. And denominator remains the same. No change in denominator. Cot A minus plus 1 minus cosec A. Next, very important question. This is very important. Cot A plus cosec A minus A square minus B square is A plus B and A minus B. Cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A. And denominator remains the same. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A taking common. Cot A plus cosec A. Taking common means cot A plus cosec A common. By taking common, here we get 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Here is minus, taking minus common, this will change into plus. And denominator remains the same. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. This term is same. 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. This term is same. By cancel, you get the answer cot A plus cosec A. This is the RHS of this question. Very important question is this. Thank you. You will get the question number 6 to 10 in next video.